So let me show you step by step how to disable downloading picture in Google Drive. So the first thing you should do after you open the Google Drive, you go to this new, so upload the picture from your PC. So now I'll select this picture. After I select this picture, I'll click on this open button. So now the picture here is downloading. So after you upload the picture from your PC, so now here is the picture. You right click on the picture and then go to this share button. So go to share again. So from this option now select this one and select the second option. So under this viewer, now you click and select viewer and then you click on this option settings and uncheck this editor and the commenter. So uncheck the editor again. So after you uncheck these two options, now go back. So now you copy the link. After you copy the link, you click on this down button. So now if you share the link with someone, the person cannot be able to download the picture. And that's it guys. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe.